Alright. We're now live at Kicks Lade Field Invest. First game of our Friday basketball club. Armando Carpio Estates is going against Petrolhead Opticare. Babes, check mo nga kung nakarinig ako. Kurinig ako. Di ba nasa straight toys?
Kompleto ba sila?
Ilan ba?
14, may apat silang free throw.
14.
Number 19, Kevin Goodall. Number 30, GC Parker, and 45, JP Alfred.
Yeah, shoutout dito. Yes, sir. George Brando. Sabi pa ko, Brando. Dito ka muna sa mama ko. Mag-committee tayo, be. Gusto mo ikaw mag-committee ka, magsalita-salita dito. Sabihin mo yung mga nickname nila.
Loki lang tayo, pare. Nasaan ba yung mic niyan?
Rinig.
Hindi, wala akong signal dito. Hindi ka. Galit ka.
For free throws. Penalty free throw. Bro. Raulo. Let's go. Let's get this. Let's get. Yo, hey ho, hey. Double kick ang puta. Double kick. Eto na ako, boy. No start to our jump ball in favor of Armando Carpio Estates. It's first ball. 4-3. Mendez. Airball. Rebound by Kobe. Steal by Carpio. Castro. 4-3. No good. Rebound again by Kobe. they're here. Mangrobang. Pass. Kayago. Mangrobang with the shot. He's good. Mendes. Pass it to Golfo. Castro. Pass it to Mendes again. Castro. Mendes. The Frank. It's a Golfo, bro. Controlled ball. Mangroba. Stepping on the line. Same ball. Mangrobang. Oh, the shaggy. No good. Carbo gets the ball. Pass it to Aranton. Mendes. With the bomb, it's good. Kayago. Sumalaksak, foul. Tinapik sa balikat. Foul number 30, JC Carpio. First team foul. First personal foul. First team foul by Ace. 2 free throws, Mark Kayago. Wala, unang suplot. Ayaw. Pangalawa, ayaw pa rin. Rebound by Mendoza. Easy shot by Mendoza. Mendes. Pass to Carpio. With the 3. No good. Mangrobang gets the ball. Pass it to Kayago. With the fast break. Foul. Mark Kayago with the easy foul. Bumawi si Boss Mac. MAC, TAC, HD3, how is me? It's good. Tarararap, Miss Khalifa. Bonus free throw. Wala pa rin. 0 out of 3, sparring mark sa ating free throw. Aranton. The Black Tornado. Top by Mangrobang. Top by... Sino ba talaga? Okay. Mendoza. Mangrobang. Oh, with the nice pass by Ebok. No good. Mendes. Gets the ball. It's a 3. No good. Mangrobang. Oh, foul. Number 19, Golfo. First team foul, third team foul by Ace. Neil for 3, Neil Wayne. Rebound again by Paulo. Overlap. Boss overlap. Kayago. Pass it to Neil Wayne. No good. AC with the rebound. Kayago. Pass it to Mangrobang with the shot. No good. Rebound by Castro. Pass it to Mendes. Aranton. The Black Tornado is coming on the way. No good. Grabe kasi pag yun si Idol. Iba ka. Neil Wayne, Mangrobang, Kayago with the shot. No good, niluwa. Aranton, pass to Mendes. Castro, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Ebok. Kalma lang daw, sabi ni Boss Axel. Ayago. Ebok. Anong gagawin ni Ebok? Hoy, traveling yun, boss. Pwede yun. Ewan ka lang kung ba't tinawagan. Pwede yun. Let's get it! No good. Wow! Another and one basket by Mark Cayago. Change 5. Ayaw talaga sa free throw. Ayaw talaga. Ayaw nga. Biray. The jump shot is good. Biliete, pass it to Moss. Foul. Oh. Out of bounds. Stepping on the line. Pines. Pass to Laksamana. 4-3. No good. Rebound by. Oh. Push foul. Number 15. Pines. First team foul. Biliete. Pass it to Biandre. Pass back. Ayan na. Oh. Holy moly. Oh no. Petrol head ball. Pinyes. Ayun na. Si Maskel Ball. Laksa. Pass ito. Boss Jun. Pinyes. Rebound by Janel. Biliete naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Moss. Boss Jim. Pasa kay Biandre. Moss for 3. Yes, sir! Ayun na. Brick wall of China. Oh, wait. Brick wall of China. Easy shot. Steal. Boss G for 3. No good. Rebound by Laksamana. Kanya na mga bato. Brick wall of China again. Wala naman. Janel. Uy. Contested shot. Pinyes. Uy. Kanya papasa yun. Kanya pa rin. Ang galing. Steal na naman ni Biray. gulo. Ang kulit! Laksamana, no good. Rebound by Bosley. Pass to Villete. 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 Brunyola with the easy shot. $12-10 lang o 12 ano? Dos lang ba yung tira ni ano? Moss? Oh, easy shot.
Bakit ba tayo?
Boss Jim. Leandre. Boss Jim ulit. Pasa kay Villete. Moss. 4-3. No good. Stepping ba?
Kay Moss, kanina. Kumito ka ron? Kumito?
Tres yun. Basket count by Laksabana.
Ball on our back. Gilbert Jeffers first. Let's bring it for Kevin Laksabana.
May dito. Stepping lang, stepping. Meron yung isa, may dito.
Outside yun. Outside yung unang tres. Pero yung pangalawa, ayan o, first quarter. Back. Back. Yung pangalawang tres mo, tres yun. Dos lang yun.
Stepping yun.
Ano score?
No, pre, gusto mo ko. Gusto ko, pre.
Anong score, kuya?
Yan, tama na. Yung number mo sa mukha. Gaya na jersey ko, hindi ko pa chinapsutan, hindi ko mabibigil. Ano charger mo? Free throw na. Sige, kahit mamaya. Pasok yung salagyan natin. Mababa tayo ah. Eh, kalati lang nakuha ko.
Ay, puta, piso lang yun.
Bagay na ako sumali sa akin eh. Kami, gusto mo sa panahon
Back to the ball game in second quarter. Neil wait for three. Rebound by Bada. Badak. Boss Monk ang naiibang jersey. Monk with the opening shot. No. Earl with the shot. Yes, girl. Mangrobang for 3. No good. Rebound by Castelo. Castelo. Mong for 3. No good. Rebound by. Same ball. Again. No good. The boy. Mong with the fake. Where to go? Steal by Mangrobang. Mangrobang with the easy layup. The boy. Bedano. Bada for 3. No good. Rebound by Mangrobang. Foul. No good.
The ball on the Spurs.
First shot is good by Axel Mangrobang. Second free throw. 2 for 2 by Axel Mangrobang. Earl. Pass it to Badap. Easy shot by Badap. Ralph Andres with a shot. Cayago with a shot. No good. Rebound by Bedano. Passes to Castelo. Castelo passes to Earl. Gives it to Badap. Gives it to Monk with the shot. No good. Monks get them a rebound. Axel. 1v1. He's good, sir. Castelo. For 3. One by Paulo. Mendoza. Wala. Earl. Oh. Rebound by Monk. Pass to Mangrobang. Ano yun? Tira o pasa? Hulaan nyo na lang. Castelo. Kanya na to. Uy. Gawin naman si Monk. Foul number 8. Mendoza. First personal foul. First team foul by Petrolhead. Earl. Easy shot by Earl. Mangrobang. Pass to Cayago. Back to Mangrobang for 3. No good. Rebound by Monk. Pass to Bedano. Castelo. Anong gagawin natin ni parang Castelo? Walaan nyo kung ano. Kayo na humusga. Yan na. Bedano. Monk. Badap. Oh. Coast to coast na naman to ni paring Mangrobang. Uy, mintes. Three v 3 batingan. Badap for 3. No good. Ebok, para naman sa Ebok. Grabe talaga rumibond yun. Gayago. Gayago. Ang Mangrobang. Mangrobang. Pinasa kay Neil Wayne. Neil Wayne, wala. Uy, grabe naman si Ebok. Grabe naman talaga to si Ebok talaga. Uy lang, nais din lang ni pare Castelo. 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 Dribbling violation. Change 5. Castro. Pulls up the tree. He's good. Jaworski. Jaworski tree. Iglesias. Passes to Laksamana. 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 Steal. Steal by Mendez. Pass to Aranton. Malakas lang.
That's the ball on number 30. Can't take up the second.
First shot by Pines is good. Second shot. No good. Mendez for 3. No good. Remember Buds. Bartolome. Brick wall of China shot. Aranton, the Black Tornado. Wala. Rebound by Zapiter. Sa Bartolome. 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 Steal by Carpio. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, son. Let's get it, son. Let's get it, son. Grabe naman yun. Parang nagtilian lahat na nakita ng gwapo. Yung mga tinuturo eh. Mendez. Foul!
Ball on number 26. United Spurs.
Kay Jace. Kay Jace. Saludo. Hi, Ragna. Yun. Kinin ng bola ba? Same ball. Time out. Back to the ball game. Wala sa akin. Laksamana. Laksamana. Uy! Takay galang yun dun. Laksamana for 3. Aranton with the rebound. Aranton. Pass to Mendez. 4-3. Uy! Grabe naman kasi pag yun si Lods. Black tornado talaga. Carpio. Airball. Joke lang pala. Tumama. Grabe naman, kanya pa rin. Goal po. Ang lakas. Ayun na. Break wall of Chaikwa. Uy. Mendes. Yun ang maganda. Yun, ganun ka-diablo mga tao dito sa Olobs. Ay, sa Maris pala, sa Maris. Maris yun, Maris. Iglesias, the skyhook! Yes, sir! Uy, puti na, sir. Grabe naman yan, sir. Carpio! Oh! Grabe naman yan! Wow! Yo! Hey ho, hey! Ang kulit ang buta. Parang mainit yung laban dito ngayon ah. Nagiging tense ah. Carpio, iisa pa. Ayaw talaga. Ayun. Traveling. Ito yun oh. Castro, 4-3. Uy, yung rebound yun. Isipin mo, 3 rebound kanya. Ay na, si Brick Wall of China. Foul. Counted. Brick Wall of China. Counted. Pwede ba yun, Brick Wall of China? Matibay yan eh. Antigas eh. Bonus free throw by Sapiter. Asan be? It's good. Jack. Halftime.
Shota mo, naninig na.
Back to the ball game. Ay, puta, may langaw. Biliete. Biliete. Tumos. Leandre. Passes to Janner. Uy, with the block. Biliete for 3. So good. Rebound by Mendoza. Mangroba. Mangroba, pass to Cayago. Cayago. Mangroba for 3. Yes, sir. That shot is brought to you by The Valley. Biliete. 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 Oh, easy shot. Cayago. Cayago. Easy shot. No good. Rebound by James. Janner. Janner. Uy, grabe naman yun. Mangroba. Mangroba. Oh! Moss for 3. Yes, sir! Uy, naninila pa. Salbahe ka talaga. Sukre. Uy, binawian. Wala. Iisa pa ata. Uy, pumeke oh. Uy, umisa pa nga. Wala lang. Ho, 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 hey, ho. Roman for 3. Binawian naman yun. Grabe naman tira yun. Binawian. Ano ko yun, yung papayag yun. Rawit yun. Rawit. Biliete. Moss. Janner. Tumba pa. Wow. Dok. Lil Wayne. Mangrobang. Giray. Puts up the 2. Cayago. Cayago. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Mangroba. Mangroba. Oh. Paulo Mendoza. Uy. Taas. Masyado mataas ang pasa parang Biliete. Kay boss. Hindi ko abot eh. Lil Wayne for 3. No good. Rebound by Brunyola. Moss. Jim. Biliete. Biliete. 300. Uy, kanina pinasa yun. Mali, 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 mali. Ay, puro dulas ang bola. Ano nangyayari sa bola? Mang Roba. Uy, yung ganda naman nun. Easy shot. Mos. 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 Nice stop by Cayago. Ooh, Boss G. Change 5. At exact 5 minutes, sir. Ebok. Rebound ka ulit, Ebok, ah. Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga. Uy, Bartolome. Wala. Rebound kay paring Earl. Earl with the rebound. Uy, Costello nawala ng bola. The boy. The boy. The boy. Wow.
Which is called on number 6, Kevin Castella's first.
Grabe naman yun, tinatao talaga. Oh, tinirahan. Airball pare, nice di daw. Costello with the shot. Earl gets the rebound. Uy, sayang naman. Rebound. Rebound dito, Ebok. Pinasa niya kay paring Pinyes. 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 Laksa. Laksa. Ebok. 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 Ho ho. Hey ho hey. Pag nakakashoot, ang yabang tumakbo. Costello for 3. Bang! Si Ebok. Isa pata si Ebok, pare. Boss Jun. Oh. Nabutasan sila. Baliwala ang depensa ng ace. Kung nananaig naman si Boss Jun. Na, the boy. Costello. Mong. Mong. 4-3. Yes, sir! Nagsisimula marangkada ang depensa ng ace. The boy. The boy. Costello. Costello marangkada. Uy. Dap. Badapi. Nilinis pa ang board. Ay, ang ring pala. Grabe naman yun. Pinapagod lang yung tao. Kawawa naman. Kawawa naman sila, napapagod na sila. Uy, with a nice day, pare. Bad. Pulls up to 3. Airball! Sino yun? Mong. Oh! The boy. The boy. Castelo siya. Pressure lang daw. Pressure lang daw. Pressure nga. Ayun lang. Pinasa kay Michael Jordan. Ebok! Dadap. 4. Oy, ano yun? Laksa. Laksa. Dribbling. Dribbling. Lifting, ganun. The boy. The boy. Uy! Uy! Hindi ka mawala kay Monk. Ayun na. Loho! Walang iya yun. And the third quarter. 49-44 in favor of Armando Carpio State. We're now heading to our final quarter. Fourth quarter. Fourth quarter. Ang robang 4-3. Airball. Uy, oh. Black Tornado. Easy shot, parang Black Tornado. Mangroba. Uy. What's this? Uy. Hey, oh, hey. Black Tornado. Nadulas ang bola kay Biandre. Petrol head ball. Mangroba. Grabe naman yun. Babalo na si Lods. Castro. Oh. Rebound by Janner. Brunyola. Gayago. Yun na, babantayan na. Uy. Tinapik ni parang Leandre. Yan. Castro 4-3. Bang! Roba. Pas to Mendoza. Mendoza. Sanyod. Symbol. Gayago. Pre, sabi naman yung kanina pa pumapalo yung sa foul. Foul counted na naman. Grabe talaga. Idol ko talaga si Boss Mac. Papasok na kaya ni Gayago ang kanyang free throw. Pumasok na nga. Costello for 3. No good. Castro with the rebound. Foul. Route 2 sa 3. Preparen. Boss Castro. Laksak. Castro Gayago sumalaksak. Grabe naman si Mark. Grabe yung pasawit niyo. Ano ba yun? Two for 2 para kay Gayago. Mendez. Pass to Costello. Counter. Costello, bonus shot. Laksa for 3. Bang! All 56. Ang ating score. Janner. Mong bumawi. Wala. Rebound pa rin ni Janner. Foul. Unang Tiramentes. Second free throw. Bumawi. Laksa. Yung isa pa. Wala na ngayon. Ano nangyari dun? Axel, Mang Roba, easy 2-4. Stelo, Ignacio 4-3. Ivan Ben Mendoza. Milwayne. Gayago. The jump shot, no good. Mendes. Oy! Munti ka pa mawala ang bola. Foul. First personal foul by Maxel Mangrobang. First team foul. Fourth team foul. Two free throws by Bronyola. First shot is good. Second shot. No good. Oh. Timeout. Troller. Oh, 58, 5 minutes and 12 seconds left in our fourth quarter. Back to the ball game. Dikit. Gayago. Uy, hindi nga pumasok. Monk, Aranton, Castello, Earl, easy shot, easy 2-4. Oh, Aranton with a steal. Oh, back-to-back points by Ace. Roba, 4-3, no good. Castello. Aranton, Castello. Monk, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Bronyola with the putback. Roba, easy 2 points. Aranton, black tornado shot. Bronyola, foul. Penalty na ang Petrole. Two shots by Bronyola. First shot, no good. Sub. Third shot. No good. Ang robang. Bad. Uy. Wala. Costello. Mendez. Black Tornado. Oh no. Jack. Easy 2-point. Mendez. This is 2. Aranton. Costello with the shot. Time out. Pedrole.
Time out. Time out.
68-60. Lamang ang Armando Carpio Estates. 2 minutes and 18 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter. Back to the bogey. Ang robang. Laksa. 4-3. Is good. We're now entering to our final twilight zone. Last 2 minutes sa ating fourth quarter. Deandre. Josh de Brugnola. Foul. Ayaw talaga. Nagdidikdikan na sila. Masyado na madidikit. Uy, hindi ka tumira. Thiago. Jana with the rebound. Penalty na. 2 free throws agad. First free throw. Pasok. Pangalawa. 2-4-2 para kay Brugnola. Easy 2 points. Ay, Mangroba. Mendez. Costello. Brunyola with a shot. No good. Costello with the rebound. Passes to Biandre. Oh! With a steal. Grabe naman yun. Inutakan. Hinahabol tayo. Masyadong dumidikit. Marama with the bonus shot.
Chop lang, chop!
Masyadong magulo. Masyadong crucial. Crucial na to. Brunyola! Oh! Janner with a dagger shot. Right there. Mangrobang. Naghahanap na libre. Mangrobang. Oh! No good. Armando ball. We only have 22 seconds. Fourth quarter. Time out. Final. Two free throw by Nico Ignacio. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Oh, Armando gets the rebound. Oh. Armando Carpio Estates gets the win. Our first game. Sino best player ko ya? Best player of our game, Brunyola. That's it for our first game. Let's stand by for second game. The Valley versus Tridigi.